Hello everyone, so today I am filming this makeup look. I hope you enjoy it. It's quite dark, it's quite glam, quite out there. That's all I really have to say, so just keep watching and you'll know how to do this. So, I feel like it looks different. I feel like my room looks really bland in this video. Oh, I don't even care. It's getting dark, so I need to film this really, really quickly. Otherwise, the lighting will be... Love that. So I've done my base, I've done my highlight, my foundation, my concealer, my primer, everything. Done my eyebrows as well. So I'm literally just doing my eyes today. I'm using one palette and one palette only, just so you can save like your dollar. And that's the 15N Night Master by Morphe. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna start off using Custom. Oh my god, you can see me in the mirror. Using Custom, which is this one here. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I kind of want to do like a purple makeup look today. But, I don't know. Right. So I've done that. Now I'm going to get Selfie, which is this one here. So I'm just going to dab that just in like the outer corner. Bring that into the crease. But like I need to blend it out here without putting like too much product on, if that makes any sense. But I also want it to be like quite dark. So if you do get any of like these harsh lines here, you can just get a clean brush, doesn't have to be this big, and kind of just blend it out. And obviously because there's no colour on it, it's just going to blend it out instead of putting more colour on it. Then I'm going to get Vavoom. Love that. Which is here. It's like a purpley, burgundy kind of thing. I'm just going to put that out into outer corner again. Blend that into my crease. I feel like I want to change the lighting because you can't really see the colours like I can. Let me see if I can make it. Is that better? I feel like that is a lot better. I'm going to get like this little brush and I'm going to dip into this like purpley, proper purpley colour. It's called Cliche. I'm going to just put that right here in the outer corner. Don't know if you can see that. My cat put his claw through it. I don't know if you can see there. Just gonna put that here, just like in the outer corner kind of area, and then like drag it in. Then you can either cut the crease out and then put a like colour on it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go like straight in with the colour. And although it's quite a dark colour, it's got like that purpley colour, which I really like. So I'm going to use Excuse Me, which is here, like as you can see, has like a purpley tone to it. So I'm going to use that. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I mean, I think it looks fine. So I'm happy with that. I just want to blend it out a tad more. So I'm going to get the same blending brush. I'm going to dip into that Cliche colour. But I'm also going to dip into Scene, which is here. Just going to blend this all out. Okay, I'm happy with that. And now I'm just going to get this brush and I'm just going to like carve it out. a little bit of foundation on my brush. It's alright, doing great. I am so confused, my camera just stopped recording, but luckily I noticed it straight away, so I didn't really miss anything. I'm going to go do the exact same that I've done on this eye to this eye. Also, just to explain like the background darkness, the reason that the background of my video is so dark is purely so that you can see like the darkness of the colour in my eye. Otherwise, if it's like this, you can't really see it. That's why I've brought the like background lighting down. So I'm just going to go do this on this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so both eyes are done, as you can see. But I'm actually going to tell you what eyelashes I'm using. So I'm actually going to use my Primark ones because I love my Primark ones. Also, oh my god, I got an Easter egg at work and I was really happy because, yeah. The eyelashes that I'm using are by this Sosu brand from Primark. They're £5, which I think is decent, but obviously GWA as well is really good, and they're like £3. So Primark isn't actually that cheap for £5 eyelashes, but they're the Paris style ones, and I'm using, they don't come with any glue, so I'm using the Isla one. When you're watching this, I will actually be on holiday. I'll be in Mallorca, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm just going to go with it. Oh, look, I got a bit of glue, which is really annoying. They're pretty big, aren't they? Like, she ain't messing. She ain't messing today, lads. I'm going to do my lash line. I'm actually going to get Vavine, which isn't too dark, but also isn't really light. I'm just going to stick that underneath my eye. My eyes are really dark today. Don't know if I like it or not. Like, it's really dark. I'm gonna get my highlighter again. Same brush. And just like highlight my inner corner. Just so it's not too dark. Should I go for a red lipstick or not? I don't know what to do. Really don't know. Or like a nude. I feel like a nude. Just gonna get my mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. I'm going to get Kiss. Yeah, Kiss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, it's just a lipstick. Comes in, it's a mini. I'm just gonna put this on my lips. I think that is everything, but I am going to brighten this video up a little bit. Yeah, that'll do. So, obviously, this is a very like dark eyeshadow look. I feel like it may look really nice with some less like out there eyelashes. I will see you next Saturday with a new video. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.